So I did mention in a video that I wanted to clean this disgusting golf cart. Sorry y'all, I forgot my microphone inside, but this is what we're working on right now. I don't know if I'm gonna have another project in this video or not. If I do, I'll put it on the screen. But I do know that I have got to work on getting this cleaned up because we are going to try to sell it. We want to try to get something different, and this thing is beyond disgusting. There is spider webs, there is chicken poop, and the reason it's like this is because it's been sitting up in our shed over here. The batteries are dead on it, and we've tried to fix it. We've put some money in it, and our property is just too bumpy for a golf cart. So it needs to be somewhere where somebody has smooth property or like asphalt or concrete, you know, like it's a golf cart, so it's made for a golf course. And so we're constantly like bouncing it around out here and always getting a wire loose or something like that. So we just want to purchase something different, but we want to try to make a little money off this. Even though it needs work, we do believe we can just clean it up and sell it as is and make a little profit, excuse me, off of it, you know, to put down on something else or use the money to put down on something a little nicer, a little more, I don't know, rough terrain friendly. So I have some of that bleach there, and I have my blower, have my battery powered blower right here that I still love. By the way, I got this at Lowe's. It's an Ego, and I love this thing. I got the weed eater too, and then I have a pressure washer here, and I'm gonna take y'all off the stand because somebody asked me the other day what kind of pressure washer I had, and this is just the Greenworks 1700 PSI, and we've had this for a long time, and so that's what we use to pressure wash everything around here. The first thing I'm going to do is spray it really good with the bleach and then start pressure washing it. So hopefully I can get it good and clean. Let me show y'all what the back looks like here. The seats back here aren't as bad, but even our chickens, they try to get in here during the day and like use that as a nest. They'll lay eggs in there. It's the funniest thing. But anyway, let's get this thing soaked down with some of this bleach mixture or whatever it is. It's the 30 seconds bleach mixture that I got at Home Depot. I'll link it for y'all. So that's what I'm going to spray all over it. I might try to pull this seat off. Let me see. So I might try to see if this seat will just come completely off, because I do need to like try to blow it out and stuff. I don't really want to spray and get this all wet. But I'm going to have to spray this to wash it. I just have to do it fast. But I can clean all this, spray all this out with the blower. Get all that dust and spiderwebby stuff out of there. This is just pitiful. We should not have let this get this dirty, but this is what happens when you let stuff sit out during the winter and don't maintain it. Do not be like us. We're going to see if this 30 seconds cleaner can bring it back to life a little bit. Definitely not coming as clean as my building and my carport did. Kind of spray it around some on the blue. Get back, chickens. Y'all don't need to be up here. I'm still loving my little 1 gallon. Can y'all even see a place to put my big old head away? This little pumper thing has been a lifesaver cleaning up out in this yard, by the way. I only paid $10 for this from Walmart. Spray where some of this chicken poop was. I'm going to turn this on. It's going to be very loud. It'll probably I'm going to have to kind of scare them off and shoo them off. They don't need to be around all this bleach water. And they don't need to be up here pooping on something that I'm trying to clean. So let me turn this on. It's going to be very loud. Okay, it is getting it clean. It's not going to get it all off because it's old, for one. I'm going to work on it a little bit more. So there's the back seat. I'm going to work on this. Let me just do one swipe while I have y'all up close, because I'm about to have to move y'all away so I don't get my camera wet. There you go. Wow, it's gonna look good. Okay, she is looking clean. I got all underneath the best I could. I was down on the ground trying to get it underneath really good because we have a lot of sand out here. It's not perfect, I mean, because it's old. It's got some staining on the seat, but it is 100 times better than it was. It looks all fresh and clean. Ready for me to put a for sale sign on this bad boy. Yeah, it's amazing what just a little cleaner will do, and a pressure washer. It makes me kind of think twice, like, do we just want to go get some more batteries for this? The batteries are so expensive though. They're like $1,000 for all the batteries that we need. It's so ridiculous. And no ma'am, you need to get off here. Y'all are not getting up here to poop as soon as I clean this. They like that dripping water. So yeah, here's the back. Got her ready to list. One more thing off of my to-do list. All right, y'all, that's going to wrap up today's quick little to-do list video. Elizabeth is playing piano in the background, and I need to do this last little voiceover. So anyway, thank y'all for hanging out with me today. Don't forget that if you have a project to do, just get out there and do it. This really only took me about an hour. We hope y'all have a wonderful week. I will have another video this week. Just stay tuned for that. Anyway, we love y'all, and I'll see you really soon with that brand new video.